In many parts of Vorarlberg, the Alpine pastures are still farmed. Fresh milk is brought to the dairy. It's become rarer for families to spend the summer in the mountains cultivating the pastures. But the Lingg family still do so.
The nice thing about this place is the solidarity. That's how I always felt already when I was little, that we grew together as a family, because we spent a lot of time together. Up here, you need each other.
The Lingg's pasture lies at an altitude of 2,000 meters.
Working with and in nature just gives you a feeling of freedom. Of course, it's a lot of work, but I enjoy making things out of what nature provides. It's in the blood. When spring arrives, it just draws me up into the mountains. If you've learned that as a child, then it just feels right.
Jakob Lingg makes mountain cheese, 2 large wheels a day.
Here we produce the cheese according to an old tradition, like in my grandfather's day. As an 8-year-old, I already came here and learned the trade.
The raw milk curdles when rennet enzymes are added, and then it is processed. Jakob Lingg only uses natural products to make his cheese. The cheesemaker's day begins at 5 a.m. Every morning and every evening, Jakob and Huberta milk almost 70 cows.
I certainly know each and every one of the cows. They're practically part of the family. Each one is important to us, and it would be awful if one of them didn't return safely to the valley. We know them all by name, and they all have different personalities.
From the sound of their bells, I can hear which cow has turned the corner of the house and is going into the barn.
After milking, the cows are put out to pasture. That's Tamara's job, the Lingg's daughter. Everyone plays a part in the family business.
She likes being up here, and she does it well. It's important that she enjoys it, as it's not always easy.
It's nice having her with us, and it wouldn't be the same not having the whole family here.
Tamara spends her entire summer holiday on the mountain. Many of her friends are envious of her holiday job. Jakob's cheese is regarded as a delicacy. The altitude makes the cheese so unique.
The good milk is the basis for our cheese, and it's so good because of all the Alpine herbs up here which the cows eat. Alpine cheese is very special, and those who have tried it once come back again and again. We eat cheese like chocolate. If you're after a piece of chocolate on the Alp, then you just go into the cellar and cut off a piece of cheese, and you can eat that like chocolate.